Hey friends, if caps lock is reversed in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, what do I mean by caps lock is reversed? It means that when you usually press caps lock, it changes all letters to capital, but in this case, it is changing them to small, and not pressing it will change them to what do you say, capital. So here's the thing: the counter for caps lock is the shift key. If you press the shift key instead of caps lock, it will do the same job as the caps lock, but if the caps lock is on and you press the shift key, it will change everything to lowercase. So check if the shift key is stuck on your keyboard. Then run the keyboard troubleshooter, but I don't think that it exists right now. So I will just put across to the solution. Then you can update or reinstall the keyboard drivers. Okay. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for keyboards, right click on the keyboard driver, select update driver and search automatically for drivers. Now turn off filter keys. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the accessibility tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select keyboard and make sure that all of these three switches for stick key, filter and toggle keys is off. And finally, reset your keyboard settings to default. Now, interestingly, there is no switch to reset the keyboard settings to default. So here's what you can do: right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side, select language and region, and then you will find these two options for English United States and English Australia. Click on this, move up, click on this, move up again. So I'll tell you what we did. We just interchanged the languages. First, I brought United States down, and then I brought it back up. So I'm back to English United States, but when I changed the language back and forth, it reset my keyboard. This is the only way to reset a keyboard. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.